Okay, so this short video is an update from the self-hosted Open WebUI interface once I uploaded some months ago. Apparently there have been some improvements. Of course, the number of models compatible with Ollama have increased. Most importantly, the overall stability is getting better as well. I have rarely seen prompt timeouts. This happened very frequently before, but I couldn't pinpoint the cause. Anyway, I'm trying some of the same old models and new ones as well. This one here is from Alibaba, the Chinese Amazon, and it's not working bad at all. The developers of Open WebUI added a window on the right to see the generated outputs called artifacts. When the model spits out Python code, for example, it is possible to execute it in here as well. It's a nice thing to have. There is an important option I noticed after I read the troubleshooting documentation which needs to be added to the OpenWebUI Docker Compose file. It is a timeout to wait for Ollama to finish generating the response. You just need to increase it a little as I did here with the AIO HTTP client timeout variable. I'll leave the link in the video description as well. I was also able to try the speech-to-text input. It works quite well. See it for yourself. Hello. This is the original audio from the webcam's microphone, so it is not great. I need some help with a Python program. I need to list all directories. Can you double check the code? Bye. Sorry, before going away, can you rewrite the previous code using pathlib? As you see, things are moving very fast. Soon you'll see new videos about tips for Ollama and using it as a local AI in Nextcloud. There have been updates which are worth looking at, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and bye bye.